Hey guys, Tristan from Cherry Tuning and Performance here, and today I'm working on this car here. I'm just trying out a new camera, so bear with me if it's a little different or shaky, but yeah, we want to do a few more vlog style shots for working on cars, and I came up with an interesting one today. Anyone who's bought one of these longer AEM style intakes, you may have noticed that sometimes they do get damaged in shipping, so I thought today I might just do a quick video, show you how to fix up the pipe. So let's get going. I'm just going to snap this camera onto my chest because that's something cool I can do with it, and I'll go grab the pipe. Here you can see the pipe, hopefully. Let me just check. All you can see is the sky. I gotta hold it in front of my face. All right, cool. So here you can see the pipe. It's pretty squished. This one got damaged in transit. They are a single long piece intake, so the way they're boxed in the box, they basically sit flush with both sides of the boxes. So if they get moved around in transit, they do end up flattening the ends of them. This end was flattened as well. I've actually already rounded it out a little bit. I'll probably have another go at it. But just thought I'd show you while I have this one here. One of the ways that you can fix this flattened side here. They are made out of relatively soft metal, aluminium, so you can just bend it out. So what we'll do, I'll grab a, usually I'll grab a mallet. You can see here, pretty rounded. Usually what you can do actually, because these mallets, if you get a rubber, one with a timber handle, you can actually just put it in here and just push. If you push against the pipe, you can find that you'll actually be able to push the metal out slowly. It's starting to come out now. Do this little bit at the bottom here. You sort of slide it along the inside edge as you move it. You'll find it's actually ends up making it quite round. If you do go a little too far, joys of a rubber mallet, the bits that have gone too far, you can just sort of smack back in again. So, not perfectly round, but you can see there it's a lot rounder than it once was. And what you'll find, if I take you for a walk, what you'll find is if you go and grab the rubber joiner, silicon joiner, rubber joiner, you'll find it'll actually go over fine now. And you can tighten a clamp up, and once it's tight, even though it's not perfectly round, it is going to seal that properly. So that's there, you can see, not perfect, but a lot better than it was. Not enough to impede any airflow or anything, so probably okay to put it in the car like that. I'm probably gonna have a bit more of a go with it. I'd like it to be a little bit rounder because I'm installing this on a customer's car. But yeah, basically that's the easiest way to fix these pipes. If you receive one that comes from the factory, well, from us, I suppose, or from anyone that looks like that, it's likely that it's arrived into Australia like that from the international post, and not necessarily from the Australia post or whoever we've used to ship it, depending on where you are. We are talking to the manufacturer about fixing it because it's a bit ridiculous that these things are coming, in a cardboard box with cardboard packaging. They're not coming with, foam ends or caps or anything to stop these from being squashed. So anyway, just a quick one for today. Put this one down. Just a quick one for today. I'm doing a few other things on this car, race chip spark plugs and an X-Force. I might do some more videos in the future now that I've got this little camera and I can stick it up places when I'm working. I figured you guys might appreciate a few more vlog style videos, so just a quick one for today, but hopefully we'll be able to start doing more of these soon. See you next time, guys. Keep it KDM.